Dr. Osapi Smithson Jyrwa, a candidate for the upcoming 2025 MDC election for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC from Sorankam constituency, has announced his decision to contest the election as an independent without a party ticket. This marks his first attempt in an MDC election after unsuccessful bids in 3 MLA elections. Dr. Jyrwa expressed concerns about the frequent changes in the executive committee during a single term, which he believes hampers the council's functioning. He emphasized the need for amendments to the 6th schedule and a discussion on the anti-defection bill to improve governance.
Kawai kajing toko ay mga inga po susul kalong kajing bomdan takaan kentiapsen ka anti defection law. Da kajing bomdan jong gitu kamot kini ki isi ki mahaban ne nomor ba tang ki MDC ki pet nang ne satai tang hakane ka house man kanir kali ki ban hadu likely ki isi sansnam likely kamot we yo adu tengkong ba tien nang tuiwan sebab titas tam kini sebab punya te lai ngot isi am ka sansnam ki don lagi snam ba kamun swali te don bay ne tang ru banai don bay ne tang si lai banai te katu ka thot bai kajing trekam jong ka isi kajing angno jong hi kalong balada Miapa yang tay kemud nilai kat balak ba ini ban pendikna bakendan ke isi ke baskem ke benek borok sansnam bakin yok ban sakri ban tre bahan nam taki jemunto jongka jingtemu ke jing angnot jongka diskonsul nam taban pendek pensa ai kini ki custom ya ke ba ka bor jong susul ke ban tre na kamta kat kum ka riti sensar mungkin abu apa ka 6 schedule jong constitution jong dari India.
A devastating